Trauma doesn't just live in the mind, it lives in the body, in the tightness of your chest, in the fatigue you can't explain, in the way your body forgets what safety feels like. And sometimes healing doesn't begin with thoughts. It begins with something much simpler: food. Not diets, no restrictions, not control, but nourishment. Because when you have experienced trauma, your nervous system is no longer asking, "What should I eat?" It is asking, "Am I safe?" Welcome back to Mindful Insights. Trauma puts the body into survival mode: fight, flight, or freeze. And in this state, digestion slows down, hunger cues disappear, and even eating can feel overwhelming. This is why healing through nutrition is not about perfection. It is about safety. Gentle nutrition begins with safety foods. Foods that feel familiar, comforting, and easy to digest. A warm bowl of soup, soft rice, a cup of tea held between your hands. These are not just meals, they are signals to your body you are okay now. Healing also lives in the way we eat. Not rushed, not distracted, but grounded. Feeling your feet on the floor. Take a breath before the first bite, letting your body arrive before the food does. For someone healing from trauma, even sitting down to eat, it can be an act of courage. So, we don't force, we don't judge. We gently rebuild trust between the body and the person living inside it. Over time, these small moments of nourishment begin to do something powerful. They calm the nervous system. They restore energy. They remind the body that it no longer has to survive, it can begin to live. Healing trauma is not linear, and some days it feels impossibly heavy. But even now, in this quiet moment, something inside you is still trying, still breathing, still holding on, still choosing to stay. And sometimes it begins with something very small: a warm meal, a quiet moment, a body slowly remembering what safety feels like. If you are on this journey, thank you for not giving up on yourself, even when it hurts. Be gentle with yourself. Be patient, because healing is happening even in the smallest acts of care, even when you can't see it yet. And thank you for being here today. Take care.